There is seriously no flex on the top over here. It is really built like a tank. We have got a 13th gen Intel Core i7 1360p processor, which has got 12 cores and 16 threads. This thing has got some great amount of black levels, like the light is literally off at the black levels. We are able to see our own reflection because this thing is a very glossy overall panel. Hey folks, welcome to Digit. My name is Florence George and today we have our hands on the Samsung Galaxy Book3 Pro 360. Now this is a hybrid laptop as the name suggests, and we'll be having a quick unboxing. We'll have a look at what do we get inside the box. We'll also have a look at the specifications and the first impressions of this very same device. Isliye I would highly recommend you to click on the subscribe button, as we'll be bringing more content on the Samsung Galaxy devices. Let's now open the box and let me also give you a background check about the Samsung Galaxy Book3 devices. Basically, in the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event, Samsung launched 4 of their laptops, namely the Samsung Galaxy Book3 Ultra, the Samsung Galaxy Book3 Pro, Samsung Galaxy Book3 360, and this one, the Samsung Galaxy Book3 Pro 360. Let's now quickly open it up and let's see what do we get inside the box. And here we have the recyclable material envelope in which we have the laptop, and there we have a fast charging brick, and it has got a Type-C connector over here. Let me quickly see the rating on this one. As okay, so this is a 65 watt charger. That is nice. Looks like some smartphone charger, but slightly beefier. Let me keep the laptop aside. Okay, we do get the S Pen inside the box. So this time every Samsung Galaxy Book3 touchscreen laptop will be getting the S Pen pre-bundled. You don't have to buy it separately. It will be given to you inside the box as well. Then we have got this Type-C to Type-C charging cable, data cable, and the length is pretty fine. I think this is 1.5 meters. And we have also got a small booklet in here. That's it. That's what we get inside the box. Let's now quickly focus on the laptop. So here we have the 16-inch laptop. Let me see. I was about to tear this thing, but then I realized that यहाँ पे area दिया हुआ है to take out the laptop. Dumb me. And here we have the amazingly beautiful Samsung Galaxy Book3 Pro 360. Woo! The first question that I've always got with me is that will the laptop that I have got open up without lifting up the bottom? And let's quickly check it out. So now I'm trying to lift up the lid and the bottom did not lift up. That was nice. Let's also try to quickly switch on the laptop. We have got a fingerprint scanner in the power button. That is nice addition. So it has got a very plain, industrial looking, amazing, beautiful top lid. There is seriously no flex on the top over here. It is really built like a tank. And let's have a look at the bottom as well. A very good metallic chassis in this one as well. No flex in here as well. And then we have got some vent for the fans. And then we have got these 4 bottom feet. And then we have got speaker grills over here. So there is one speaker grill, the other one is over there. And this is the ventilation port. The entire area is for ventilation, which can of course turn into a 360-degree tablet-like mode. Let's have a look at the ports now. So on the left-hand side of the laptop, we have got 2 Thunderbolt ports. That is amazing. We've got an HDMI and we've also got a notification light. And on the right hand side, we have got a micro SD card slot. Okay, that is something. And then we've also got a Type A USB 3 port and also a audio combo jack. So those are all the ports that we get in this device. By the way, yes, this will go all the way up to 360 degrees. So that's how you turn into a tablet mode. The laptop is now finally all set up. And the first thing that I notice in here is the magnificent and like the most amazing screen that this thing has got. It has got a 16:10 3K display. That's the resolution of 2880 by 1800 resolution. And let me quickly also read out the specifications for you guys. We have got a 13th gen Intel Core i7 1360p processor, which has got 12 cores and 16 threads. And the RAM in this one is again impressive, as this thing has got a RAM of 16 gigs at the frequency of 6 1000 megahertz, which is just crazy. So a terabyte of solid state drive in this one, and then we have got Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, and for graphics this thing is using the Intel Iris Xe graphics. So those were all the specifications. Although one thing is like a caveat in this one, that because this thing has got some great amount of black levels, like the light is literally off, we are able to see our own reflection because this thing is a very glossy overall panel. The S Pen also works pretty responsively in this one, as the screen refresh rate goes to as high as 120 Hz. So the S Pen also has got literally very less amount of latency. So there is a magnet to hold in this place. So the S Pen goes over here. If in case you don't know where to keep it, just stick it over here. Next up is the keyboard and the trackpad, and the trackpad in here is extremely massive in size. The keyboard has got this nice backlight going on, and it's also a full-size keyboard, but I think because it's a 16-incher, it was supposed to have a full-size keyboard, and that's what we get in this one. So yeah, we had a word on the specifications, we had a word on the S Pen, we had a word on the screen, which is a glossy one. We also had a word on the overall build quality, which is really very impressive. And overall, in a bigger picture, the machine looks very nice to me. But of course, I would really recommend you to, stay tuned, because we'll be testing this machine very soon, and we'll be bringing you the proper review of this machine on the very same channel that you are watching right now. So stay tuned on digit.in, and we'll meet you all in the next one. Take care. Digit out.